Good morning, everybody. Sorry we didn't get our tidbits out this week, but we did want to impart some news to you.
Yeah, good news, bad news.
Good news for some, bad
Yes.
news for others.
Well, we decided that after 37 years that it was time to shut the doors and retire. We hope that's not making some of you too sad.
It's kind of bittersweet for all of us.
Yeah.
It really is.
When you do it for 37 years, it's going to be hard to walk away, but it's time.
Yep.
It's time.
It's time. I'm old. Marty wants to do gardening.
We're doing other things, so.
Yeah. Anyways, this is how we decided we wanted to go out with, not with a whimper. We're not whimpering. We're going out with a bang. So we are going to invite you to do some shopping with us. We are going to start Monday, which would be April 24th. Sorry.
With these visual effects.
Yeah.
We're doing visual effects.
April 24th, we are going to start with a sale. We're going to do a 2-week online only sale. This is so that we have people, we've made new friends all across the country. So we don't want to exclude them. Yeah, there you go. Exclude them an opportunity to partake in the sale.
And to get some good quilting stuff.
Yeah, stock up on your supplies, girls and guys,
right.
if any guys are listening. So starting Monday, because today is Saturday that you're getting this, starting Monday, you'll be able to go online, go onto our website and purchase whatever is there, and any kit, notion, or pre-cut will be 50% off.
Which that's pretty much what's going to be on the website. So
yeah,
what will be available.
Right. And what we're going to do is, unfortunately, because we're doing a deep discount.
No, it's huge. Right?
Oh no. We can't pick up the shipping on this stuff. Right. So we will have to buy shipping. That'll be all calculated.
Prorated kind of a thing. So
yeah, and it'll tell you what it is when you're doing the order.
It'll all be set up on the website for you, so not a problem.
If for some reason you have problems placing an order, because we had some horrible issues with hacking a couple weeks ago, to the tune of 14,000 orders one night. Yeah. If you have problems placing the order, just go ahead and email it to us, and we'll take it the old-fashioned way. And what we'll do is we'll just send you an invoice, and you can pop us back a check. So that's how we'll handle that. If there's any problems, hopefully, knock on wood, there won't be any problems. So that's going to be for the next 2 weeks. Then we're going to take a gap week to get ourselves put together, and then we are going
to take longer than a week.
Well, we can only do so much. What can we say? You've seen us for how many years, and you know what? We haven't changed.
We are who we are.
Yep. There's going to be the gap week, and then starting on May 15th, we're going to invite you into the store. And anything that was left over will still be the 50% off, plus all the fabric will be $7 a yard. Now, we're not going to take you on a tour of the store to show you that, yes, it is worth your while. There's
still quite a bit.
Yeah, we still have a lot of fabric.
There's still quite a bit. We still have flannels. We still have Kim Deal. We have some Kansas Troubles. We have batiks. Yeah, I mean, we've still got a lot of Christmas. So yeah, we've got quite a selection still. It's worth your time to come and shop. And especially if you're getting it for $7 a yard, that's a deal. I mean, y'all, I'm assuming, have been shopping, so you know what fabric is going on, and it's only going to get worse.
Yeah, that's kind of what we were thinking. You know, there's some turns that the industry is taking that we're just, I hate to use the word uncomfortable with, but we're not happy.
We're too old to deal with.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
We're too stuck in our ways. We want to do what we want to do, and when things don't allow that, we get pouty.
And whiny. And cranky. And cranky. Exactly.
Yes.
If you knew how many, and then if you knew how many Dunkin' Donuts, what are they called? What do they call it? The munchkins. Munchkins we had this morning just to get ourselves girded up to do this. You would be appalled. So anyways, that's kind of what we wanted to tell you.
Yep. All of this information will still be below, so that you can, have it visually.
You need to talk. I'm going to do one, and then okay, block of the month. If we still owe you block of the month, do not fret. You will still be getting them. And if you want, I could do them all at once, or we'll keep up the monthly.
There's not that much left. So.
No. So don't worry about those.
And if you have, I'm still going to continue machine quilting. So if you have a quilt into me, I will be contacting you. If the building ever gets sold, then the machine quilting will come home with me. I can plan on doing this for several more years. I just enjoy it.
If she has to get a cane out to do it while she's doing
happen.
it.
Then that will be a sayonara at that time. But I live 5 minutes away from here, so it's not that much more of a trek to come and grab it, or we can just ship it, whichever way works for you. But I am going to still continue machine quilting. And actually, it will be a very good thing because I won't have other obligations, and it'll get done in a more timely fashion. So
yeah,
that will be a huge thing. So.
Yeah, that's very true.
So that's the machine quilting. Don't worry.
Yep, she'll still be available for that.
Yep.
So we will wrap this up, not to take any more of your time. We just do want to say thank you all.
Yes.
We have made so many friends, added people to our already dysfunctional family that it's
and
just...
after 37 years, we can still laugh and smile about everything.
Yeah.
So I think that's a really good thing. It's not that we don't love quilting, because we're going to still quilt. We are still sewing and quilting. That just is never going to not happen until we get the cane out. Yeah,
until we get the cane out. Or the fingers start going, which I do have one that's really started up. But anyways, all kidding aside, we always say we couldn't have done it without you.
No.
We wouldn't have wanted to do it without all of you. We have seen births. We've seen deaths. We've seen marriages. We've seen divorces. We have seen it all with you all, and we wouldn't miss it for the world.
Yeah, and as just Teri said, we couldn't have done it without you, and we hope that we've given you as much as you've given us.
Yep. So hopefully we'll hear from you in the next couple weeks, and maybe we'll see you coming up May 15th. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.